జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
రామచంద్రస్వామి పర్యశ్వజత ధర్మజ్ఞః పితృవత్ మాతృవచ్చసః. He is hugging all the gents just like a father. He is giving a hug to all the ladies just like a mother. Then some people kechittu tam abhyavadayan. Some people are doing sashtanga namaskaram to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami meeting with all his friends, all his relatives. Everybody started moving to tears, crying when all the people got together. When all the people started crying, the sound of their cry, bhuvancha kancha anuninadayan, spreaded all over the earth and all over the sky. But by then mothers did not reach ashramam yet. Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi, he is bringing all the mothers slowly. They are walking towards ashramam. On their way, they stopped at the shore, banks of the Ganga river. While going here and there, while walking through the shore of that Ganga river, Kausalyamma identified the footprints of Sri Ramachandra Swami in that Ganga shore, because that is where Sita, Rama, Lakshmana always used to go to the shore of the Ganga Nadi and take bath and bring some water. That is why Kausalyamma identified Ramachandra Swami's footprints over there and started moving to tears. While the tears are rolling down the cheeks, Kausalyamma sharing all her grief with her all other queens, all other wives of Dasaratha Maharaju. She is saying that Klishtam Aklishta Karmanam, the one who would not cause any kind of harm to anyone, that is my Ramachandra Swami. Anadhanam, the one who was sent out of the kingdom, such my Rama, along with Sita, Lakshmana, probably have walked here only and probably comes to the shore of the Ganga river here only. Oh Sumitra, I can see my Rama's footprints. Oh Sumitra, probably your son Lakshmana also every day comes here and takes water to the ashramam as a part of serving to my son Rama. Oh Sumitra, in fact your son Lakshmana did not have to go through all these troubles. But you know what? Lakshmana loves Rama. Not because just he is a brother, but because Rama has such a great attributes and qualities. Because of those qualities, Lakshmana got captivated by Rama, and Lakshmana respects Rama more than a brother but like a father. That is why Lakshmana ended up serving Rama forever. Oh Sumitra, but don't worry, soon Lakshmana's troubles are going to come to an end. You know why? Because now we all came here along with Bharata. Bharata is now going to request Rama to come back and get Pattabhishekam done and start ruling the kingdom. Then Rama comes back. When Rama comes back, Lakshmana doesn't have to do all these sevas. With that kind of thinking, with that kind of opinion, Kausalyamma saying to Sumitra that Lakshmana's troubles are going to end very soon. Like this, while they are walking and talking, they have come across a place where just a few minutes before Rama Lakshmana has done Pinda Pradhanam over there. So all the queens along with Sumitra and Kausalyamma, they reached over there. Kausalyamma has seen those pindas which were kept on Dakshinagreshu Darbeshu, which were kept on Darbha. Now Kausalyamma, while crying, she is saying to all other queens that, look at those pindas. Idam Ikshvakunadhasya Raghavasya Mahatmanaha. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.